Hey friend. Okay. So I have this box. That's for Christmas, well, not Christmas, but a cake box. And I'm thinking, well, I have lots of charisma and creativity skills. What should I make of this box? Maybe blah 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 blah. Anyways, I'm gonna be a mother bird trying to find things to make her nest. So far I've got this. In a friggin' box. Alright, okay, let me get some of this. Okay, now find more to make my nest look cool.
Ooh, what's this? And think of this. Look at this. Ooh, it's very nesty. Nesty-like. Put in there.
It's kind of like a trial. My zany skills also are cool.
Oh, something on my head. Ooh, get it off. Ooh, my hair. Oh no, run away. Ooh, a leaf. Gotta get this damn leaf and put it in there. Hi, welcome to my nest. I'll find some stuff for the kids to eat. Kitties. Ooh, is this cool? Is this cool? Ooh. Huh, that'll be like teeter-totter for the kids. Huh. Alright. Let's find more stuff. I want to make my nest the best nest of the whole world. Looking good.
But you know, like, I'm apparently the man right now. What is this?
Oh my god! Food for the kids! Food for the kids!
Oh my god! Ants, it can't be in my food! The fuck out of there! I'm more powerful than you. I think they're gone. I'm no longer a man anymore.
Oh! Okay, not gonna hear me. She's dead.
My muscular arms, or paws, or beak, or whatever you want to call it.